Now, Kangana Ranaut, after stoking that controversy, has now gone on to say that she's withdrawing those remarks on farm laws. She's gone on to say that she apologizes if her words have hurt anybody. She has also gone on to say that she stands with the views of her party. So there, Kangana Ranaut there making a complete U-turn when it comes to those remarks that she made about the farm laws. And let's just listen in to what was said.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, पिछले बीते कुछ दिनों में मीडिया ने मुझसे फार्मर्स लॉ पे कुछ सवाल किए और मैंने ये सुझाव दिया कि किसानों को फार्मर्स लॉ वापस लाने का प्रधानमंत्री जी से निवेदन करना चाहिए। मेरी इस बात से बहुत सारे लोग निराश हैं और डिसअपॉइंटेड हैं। जब फार्मर्स लॉ प्रपोज हुए थे तो हम बहुत सारे लोगों ने जो है उनका समर्थन किया था, लेकिन बड़ी ही संवेदनशीलता से और सहानुभूति से हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने वो लॉज जो थे वापस ले लिए थे और ये हम सब कार्यकर्ताओं का कर्तव्य बनता है कि हम उनके शब्दों की गरिमा रखें। मुझे ये बात भी ध्यान रखनी होगी कि मैं अब एक कलाकार नहीं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की कार्यकर्ता हूँ और मेरे ओपिनियंस अपने नहीं होने चाहिए, वो पार्टी का स्टैंड होना चाहिए। तो अगर मैंने अपने शब्दों से और अपनी सोच से किसी को डिसअपॉइंट किया है, मुझे खेद रहेगा। I take my words back. Thank you.
And to get more on this, we have Gurpreet Singh Chinna joining us. Gurpreet, after the BJP put out that disclaimer that this was completely her personal view and not that of the party, Kangana Ranaut decides to take a complete U-turn and says that, you know, she should now she realizes that she's not an actor but a politician and that she needs to, stand in line with her party and have the same views.
Well, this is not the first time this type of statement has been given by Kangana Ranaut. Earlier also, she has been speaking very vocally against the farmer. We have seen she has already embroiled in a number of controversy, and this time when she has given this type of the statement, specifically on the farm laws, we have seen there is a lot of political reaction because this timing is very crucial at this point of time. We have seen Haryana polls are underway, and it was an epicenter of a farmer protest when Punjab and Haryana farmer, they were holding protests in their states. So as of now, we have seen all the Congress leaders, whether it's from Punjab or from Haryana, they have been condemning and criticizing, and some of the leaders, they say it seems Kangana Ranaut has become a mouthpiece of the BJP party, and it seemed the BJP wanted to bring back all these farm laws, and that could be one of the reasons why she has given this statement at this point of time. We had also tried to talk to some of the BJP leaders in Haryana to know their perspective there, to know their viewpoint on this Kangana statement, but everybody is trying to make a distance from this statement which has been issued by Kangana Ranaut. So as of now, we have seen the BJP has been trying to go for controlling the damage which has already been done by this statement, and as of now, we have seen in the BJP, we have seen the farmers, they are holding a flag against the BJP party, and this was one of the main challenge for the BJP to woo the farmers, and so many times we have seen the multiple statements were being given by the Chief Minister of Haryana, Naib Singh Saini, saying that we had already given bonus to the farmers, and they were also trying to multiple political strategy to woo the farmer. So let's see, let's wait for some more time to know, to understand what type of impact this statement has already been left on the Haryana polls. But as of now, the way we have seen Kangana Ranaut has already been spoken and saying it's the personal view, whether the people are going to accept this statement or not, and what type of reaction on the earlier statement, that is yet to be seen, because after the election the things will be more clear. But as of now, what we can understand, even Kangana Ranaut and other BJP leaders, they are trying to go for controlling the damage which has already been made because of this statement.